I've come into Centro because we've got let me just get across the road without dying. We've got an event called the Careless Weekend. Not the Careless Weekend, it's called Careless Weekend. And it's never happened before in Naga. Hey! Hey! Smile, you're on YouTube! Now, allegedly, they've closed the road off. It was nice and sunny earlier on for about 30 minutes, and now it's raining. That's a shocker, isn't it? So it's called Careless Weekend. It's a bit like that song, what is it? Careless Whisper. I'm never gonna dance again. Guilty feet have got no rhythm. Who sung that? It was a gay guy, wasn't it? Not that that matters what gender, you know, what he prefers, but sorry, it's just my sarcastic sense of humour. You know what they say, sarcasm is the lowest form of wit. So the road's been closed off, starts at 6 and finishes at midnight tonight. So I'm guessing there's going to be plenty of people here, especially stalls, people selling stuff. It's not going to be a big one in regards video, guys, because the wind's blowing and I'm having trouble holding this umbrella without doing a Mary Poppins. But listen, I'm either going to get closed down with the weather or closed down with the music. This video cannot be monetized. These are just the normal stalls you see here, the everyday stalls. I love coming into Plaza. I love the Philippines and I love Naga. I love its people, I really do. I'm not just saying that, you know, on camera. So here we go. There's not a lot in Plaza. I was expecting a lot of stalls. We've got police presence, as usual. Kids coming back from school and college. I'm sure it will take off later because Christmas is approaching and there's always things happening near Christmas as well. Look at that, how pretty that is. Really nice. Oh, we've got a stage being erected. That wasn't there when I come earlier on today to get my coffee and apple cider vinegar. Now, I know I may have said this before to you guys. Now, I did a video the other day about police visits. Now, just to make it very clear, if on that video, if I looked at the video, I don't think I did, people think that they should, if they get a police visit, they should not cooperate. I've not said that. You do what you feel is right. You must always cooperate, even if it's in a nice way. When you know what I mean when I say as long as it's in a nice way. Just never ever say no, I don't want, or whatever. Choose your words very carefully. But I just thought I'd say that. The other thing is I mentioned Cambodia. Mistake. I shouldn't have mentioned Cambodia because okay, what you know about Cambodia? They're at war. You shouldn't be recommending Cambodia. Well, one, I didn't recommend Cambodia. I just said it's an alternative. Visa situation's very easy, easiest in Asia. Two, they're not at war. They're having a border dispute. So, you know, it's up to you what you want to do. The other thing is, I have been to Cambodia, but Siem Reap, I was only in Siem Reap for about, I think, just under a month, and decided it wasn't for me. I was going to come to the Philippines because of the English situation. In Cambodia in 2015, the English was like no good. If you were in a hotel, okay. If you were in a taxi, okay. Tuk-tuk, okay. But every day, talking to people, not a chance. However, since then, a lot of young people talk English. Not all, obviously, just like there's a lot of young people here don't talk good English. They're supposed to, but they don't. Allegedly, it's the second language. It's not. It is, but it's not. Anyway, I just thought I'd clear that bit up. So I don't know what's happening with that. The stand. Normally they've got bands come round the square and stuff. I'll not go over there, it's too loud. Let's walk this way. Do you know, I always mean to just do a short video, guys, but it always ends up in a longish video. There's not a lot happening over here. I think it's just people staying out in the rain. Yeah, the wind's quite strong. Oh, we're selling paintings here, look. You know, when you come to the Philippines, and I think that probably applies to most Asian countries, the people are very, very jolly, you know, very happy. They're not miserable. They'll talk to you. They don't treat foreigners bad. Certainly not in Naga, not as I'm aware of. I mean, you might know something different. But these normally would be on this, these stalls here would normally be on this side of the road. For some reason they're on that side of the road today. It doesn't look much different to a weekend, to be honest, guys, but maybe I'm a bit early. This camera doesn't work very good at night, and the audio is hit and miss. I tried to, last video took me 5 attempts because the audio wouldn't work. It was just loud. Let's see what's happening in the front. So anyway, the singer of that song, Careless Whisper, put it in the comments, the name. The other thing, I was watching some videos of Siem Reap in Cambodia, obviously, and I was looking at the girls there, the women, not babies, the women. I don't know how many's watching this channel that's been to the Philippines, been to Cambodia, been to Thailand. What do you think? Who do you think's the best looking women? Do you think it's Thai women, Cambodia women, Philippines women? Look, show your trip. Oh, I shouldn't laugh, should I? Let me know in the comments below. That's it, guys. The weather is pretty much bad. It sucks. The rain just recently just won't let up, and it's getting worse. You can see the sky is black. So I'm gonna get off. I hope you've enjoyed this little snippet of Naga. Do you know what, guys? It's never really recovered from the pandemic in respect of, I don't know, the atmosphere seems different these days. People are still pretty much happy, but I don't know, there's just something I can't put my finger on. Maybe you feel the same way you are if you're in the Philippines. Something seems to have changed, and I don't know what it is. I really don't. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe. Help me get to 28,000. There's a few trolls said in my dreams it maybe is. But I'm good. I'm all right. Please subscribe. Please hit the like button. Please share my videos. It helps kill the YouTube algorithm when they try and suppress my videos. And we'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks from Naga City in the Philippines. See you on the next one, guys.